Hey everyone, welcome back to World Story Archives. Today we're diving deep into some of the coolest medieval survival skills that most people don't know about. Life back then was no joke. No phones, no matches, no supermarkets, just pure grit and smarts. These skills helped people get through harsh winters, battles, and everyday struggles. Plus, believe it or not, some of these tricks are still useful for modern survival enthusiasts. So stick around and you might just learn something wild. Skill 1. Making fire without modern tools. Fire was everything. Cooking, warmth, protection. Now imagine having to make fire with nothing but sticks. Medieval folks used tools like the bow drill or hand drill, where fast-spinning wood creates heat strong enough to spark flame. It took practice, patience, and the right materials. There's even stories of armies relying on fire making to survive cold nights. It's incredible how something so basic was a vital life skill. Skill 2. Foraging for edible plants and medicinal herbs. People back then were basically walking plant encyclopedias. They could spot what was safe to eat and what could heal nasty wounds, like nettle for nutrition or yarrow as a natural bandage. The knowledge wasn't just useful, it saved lives. Imagine learning that all by word of mouth and observation. No Google. Plus, some of these plants formed the basis of medieval medicine, long before doctors were common. Skill 3. Basic hunting and trapping techniques. Hunting wasn't just swinging swords. A lot of food came from simple traps and snares. These were made from vine, wood, or animal sinew, and set in places where rabbits or birds passed. Patience was key, waiting for the trap to do the work. Even peasants used these tricks daily. It's a reminder that survival meant more than strength. It meant smarts. Skill 4. Building a shelter using natural materials. You had to keep dry and warm, so folks knew how to use what was around them. Wooden frames, packed mud, and thatched roofs. Sometimes, families or entire villages worked together on homes, crafting them strong enough to handle storms. These shelters might look simple, but their design was clever and had to last through bitter winters. Skill 5. Water purification methods. Clean water was rare, and drinking bad water could be deadly. Boiling was the easiest way to kill germs, but charcoal filters were also used to clean water. Soldiers and travelers would carry flasks and purify what they found on the go. This knowledge helped reduce disease outbreaks, something critical in crowded medieval towns and on battlefields. Skill 6. Traditional food preservation. Winter meant no fresh food, so people had to preserve. Salting and smoking meats were popular. Drying fruits and veggies kept them edible longer. Hunting season was about storing enough meat to last months. These preservation tricks were survival insurance, and mastering them meant fewer hungry nights. Skill 7. Navigating, using natural landmarks and stars. No GPS? No problem. Medieval travelers read the sun's path, stars, and landmarks. The North Star was the medieval GPS. Merchants' long journeys, pilgrimages, or armies marching all counted on these natural guides to avoid getting lost in forests or across seas. It's impressive how much they relied on their senses and the sky. Skill 8. Basic first aid and herbal remedies. Doctors might have been rare, but people knew enough to treat wounds at home. Chamomile, plantain, or comfrey poultices were used to reduce infection and pain. Sometimes, cauterizing wounds saved lives too. These primitive but effective remedies were the frontline medical care for most medieval folks. Skill 9. Crafting tools and weapons from available resources. Everything from knives to farming tools had to be made by hand or fixed on the spot. Skilled blacksmiths and craftsmen were crucial. They shaped iron, carved wood, and even crafted arrows from bone and feathers. Without these skills, survival was impossible, whether for everyday life or defending one's village. Skill 10. physical conditioning, and mental preparedness. Lastly, living medieval life meant being tough, physically and mentally. People worked hard all day, walked miles, and braved dangers. Mental strength helped face uncertainty, war, and hardship. This resilience defined medieval survival just as much as any practical skill. So there you have it, 10 forgotten medieval survival skills that paint a vivid picture of a tough, resourceful time. These aren't just dusty old facts. They're fascinating lessons on human endurance and ingenuity that still awe us today. If you enjoyed this trip to the past, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content from World Story Archives. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.